everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If you've never been here before, thank you so much for choosing to spend some time with me on today. For those of you who have, thanks for coming back. Well, if you are currently not subscribed to the Seasoned Beauties family, first of all, tell me why. Second of all, take a second and go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. And while you're in that general vicinity, go ahead and tap the notifications button so I can let you know first whenever I upload a new video. Well, now, the reason for our video on today is it's BoxyCharm time. And in all actuality, this is December, so it's BoxyLuxe time. As you can tell by the giganticness of our description pamphlet. Okay? Well, for those of you who are not familiar with BoxyLuxe, it is the quarterly version of our BoxyCharm. Now, BoxyCharm normally goes for $21 a month. However, BoxyLuxe, you can get almost twice as many products as what normally comes in the BoxyCharm, but it only comes out every 3 months. This is our second box, and I'm very excited to dig right in. Now, for those of you who are familiar with it, why don't you leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you got in your box. Let me know what you like and what you don't like. What you really don't want to see again. Well, we're going to go ahead and dig right in and see what's in here. So, our first product is the PYT Mini Straightener. How about that? Look at the color on this. Can you say hello, sunshine? Quite bright, but it is very nice. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and go right to our pamphlet, which says, this is the PYT Mini Hair Straightener. And it says, get those pesky baby hairs, straighten those bangs, or touch up your curls on the go with this incredibly adorable PYT Mini Straightener. Okay? And the manufacturer suggested retail price on this one, $75. Wow. Okay. The second item we have, the wristlet. Okay? Nice handle, nice weight to it, feels really nice. Inside is the charger, okay? And it says Crimes of Beauty on the charger. It will charge your Android or iPhone, Type-C adapter, USB output and input, and here's the connector. So everything is right here in the back. This is a really nice size. And I guess, let me see if I can show you the inside of this. This is really nice. Okay, this is the inside of the bag. Now, the reason I wanted to show it to you is because there is a pocket on the inside. And you can actually carry your own little goodies. You can use it as, you know, a wallet or, you know, mini pocketbook or mini purse that you want to carry around. Okay, so this one, item number 2, manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $22. Then the next item we have is our Tardiest Shimmering Lip Paint. The packaging on this is gorgeous, by the way. Okay, and this is in the shade Strike Gold. So, right there. Okay. And let's get some info on this. This is the Tarte Glitter Lip Paint. Okay, and this is use this lippy alone or over your favorite lipstick to give it some quick, sparkly dimension. Manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $20. The next item in the box is the Wonder Beauty palette. And this one is the blush and highlighter palette. It does come with a mirror. And here are the shades. Okay. And okay, here are the shades. The one at the top is City Lights, middle Havana Nights, third one is Tuscan Sunrise. Okay, it says Dusk to Dawn blush and highlight palette. Manufacturer suggested retail price $26. This palette is incredibly versatile. You can use it for blush and highlight or switch things up and use all the highly pigmented shades to create a beautiful eye look. We're going to go to the Spongele. This thing is smelling right through the box. It smells so good, so good. Here's the star. This is the shape, of course, that our sponge is in. And it says, it's dermatologist tested with built-in body wash for multiple luxurious showers. Okay? And of course, it gives you the little directions on the box of how to use it. And this one says body wash infused buffer. Okay, and it says in order to get the most out of this deliciously smelling sponge, squeeze out excess water after you finish using it. Okay, and the manufacturer suggested retail price on this item is $20 as well. The next item we have is the Lorac Pro. It says lash pomade. Okay, gorgeous packaging again. Okay, and increase thickness, shine, curl, and length to your lashes with this Lorac Pro Lash Pomade Mascara. This unique formula is smudge proof, it's flake proof, and glides onto your lashes easily with the help of the custom curved brush. Manufacturer suggested retail price $24. Okay, then we are down to the Elements Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This is the box that it comes in. Okay, and here is the inner package. It's beautiful. This says Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Use after toning before applying primer and foundation to give your makeup a flawless, healthy looking finish. Manufacturer suggested retail price $89. Okay. Alrighty then, of course, the brushes. Okay, and here's our Luxe Rose Gold Complete Face Brush Set. This brush set has every brush you need to create a full face look. Fill and define your brows with the Luxe 201 Brow and Lash Spoolie and Luxe 221 Flat Definer Brush. Blend your foundation effortlessly with the Luxe 532 Round Tip Blender. Get your glow on with the Luxe 522 Tapered Highlighting Brush. Apply your favorite lip color with the Luxe 160 Lip Brush. Contour with Luxe 680 Pro Precision Face Brush. Create stunning eye looks and achieve a seamless blend using the Luxe 229 Tapered Blending and Luxe 213 Eye Shading Brush. Manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $65. Okay, last but certainly not least is the Violet Voss. This thing is gorgeous, y'all. Look at that. Okay. And let's see. It does come with a very nice size mirror, which is the full size right up there. And here are the shades. Okay. So we'll only swatch maybe... we'll do 2 mattes, 2 shimmers. Maybe. And here are our swatches. Okay. And that is the Violet Voss palette. This thing is so beautiful. This is really beautiful. Oh my God, I just realized I didn't have my wedding band on. Indulge in 20 highly pigmented eyeshadow shades, ranging in finishes from creamy matte to bold metallic and silky satin. It is definitely vegan and cruelty-free. Okay, and it's finely milled pigments, making for smooth application and easy blending. Manufacturer suggested retail price for this one, $45. Okay, so here is our December BoxyLuxe. There you go, jam-packed or full of goodies. I will leave you the grand total below of the manufacturer suggested retail price versus what we spend for the box. Okay, now I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you really feel, okay? And remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Thank you so much for spending time with me on today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time,